Trying to decide between the Rogers Red and the Rogers Red World Elite? You're not alone. On the surface, they might seem pretty similar, but they're not. So let's break down the key differences between these two no annual fee cards. First, the welcome bonus. The standard Rogers Red card comes with a welcome bonus, often a cashback credit. However, the World Elite typically doesn't offer a welcome bonus. So if you're looking for that immediate cash infusion, the regular card might be more appealing. Next, let's talk cashback. Both cards offer great value, especially if you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer. With a qualifying service, the regular Rogers Red gives you 2% unlimited cash back on all non-US dollar purchases and 2% on US dollar purchases. The World Elite, however, kicks it up a notch. It offers the same 2% cash back on non-US dollar purchases but boosts your US dollar purchases to 3%. This is a huge benefit if you travel or shop online in USD. Now, let's look at the extra perks. This is where the World Elite truly earns its name. It comes with a suite of insurance benefits that the standard card doesn't have, including things like emergency out-of-province medical, trip interruption and cancellation, and rental car collision damage insurance. You also get a complimentary membership to MasterCard Travel Pass, which gives you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, though you do have to pay a per-visit fee. The standard Red card, on the other hand, only has basic benefits like balance protection. Lastly, there's the eligibility. The standard Rogers Red card is accessible to more people since it doesn't have a minimum income requirement. To get the World Elite, you need to meet a minimum personal income of $80,000 or a household income of $150,000. So, your income level might just make the choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.